Ever wished your computer will just talk back and tell you what that French tweet meant? Or you copied something shady from the deep web and just hoped it wasn't insulting your entire lineage? Is it just me? Is this weird? Well, now it will talk back to you. This project turns your clipboard into a real-time translator with text-to-speech built right in. You copy text, it translates it, it reads it out loud. No buttons, no switching apps, just copy and the robot starts talking to you, almost immediately. First up, we need to watch the clipboard, constantly. No, not like NSA style. Just checking if the copied text has changed. Or maybe we are listening for more. And for that, we use pyperclip. Nothing fancy, but here's the catch. We don't want it to trigger the first time we launch the script because we might already have something copied. So we pre-fill last equal pyperclip.paste before the loop. That way, we ignore the initial clipboard content. Trust me, without this, it talks to you immediately. And sometimes, you're not ready to be spoken to. Now, let's add translation. We're gonna use this unofficial Google Translate endpoint. Why? Because it works. Kinda. Definitely not because it was the only free thing I could find. Yes, it has limitations, yes, it's not official, but we tested it and it worked. Longer texts, not so much, but hey, short phrases, beautiful. Just don't try pasting the entire EU constitution, it might explode. We got the translated text, let's make your computer say it out loud. For that, we use pyttx3. But we don't want it to freeze the app while it's speaking, so we spawn a new thread every time. Remember threads? Yeah, turns out they're actually pretty handy. Now it speaks, without locking up your UI. Fancy and functional.
I am more lost than an octopus in a garage.
At first we tried using Windows notifications, but turns out they're kinda useless for long messages and worse, they make copying impossible. So we built a tiny Tkinter UI instead. Oh yeah, probably that one. Sits in the corner of your screen, kinda ugly, kinda brilliant. Now it shows up like a sticky note with attitude, clean, readable, pinned to your screen. But you can move it. I hope you got that. Okay, here's the main loop. This runs every second, checking for new text, translating it, reading it aloud, and updating the UI. No buttons, no clicks, just watching you. Don't turn around. You turned, didn't you? But relax, he's your friend. As long as you treat him well, feed him fresh things to translate. That's his fuel.
You are milk. You have fewer lights than a refrigerator behind. I am more lost than an octopus in a garage. I am more lost than an octopus in a garage.
Let's be honest, it's not perfect, I just thought this will be a fun build, and I wanted to show it to you. Consider it my weird little gift. But what could we improve? The Google endpoint we're using, yeah, it's unofficial, it could break tomorrow, or worse, maybe it's not even legal. Is that the FBI at my door? FBI, open up! Nope, we're good. Still, if you want to turn this into something reliable, look into Official Translations API, they're more stable and less likely to vanish in the night. Longer text might hit rate limits or trigger weird API behavior, so again, Official API, safer bet. As for pyttx3, let's just say the voices are a bit robotic. But with how fast AI voices tech is evolving, you could probably make Justin Bieber whisper weird Spanish tweets at you in a few lines of code. If that's your thing, no judgment. Oh, and my Tkinter UI, it's not exactly winning design awards, but hey, that's an easy one for you to improve, make it beautiful, add some animations, go wild. But for a script built in a day, I'd say this turned out to be a pretty cool concept. So here's what we built, a real-time clipboard watcher, just a clipboard, I promise. A translation API integration, definitely not official. TTS that reads things out loud, like your own slightly confused talking Roomba. And a floating UI that works and also happens to burn your eyes with pure white vengeance. It's one of those scripts you don't think you need until you try it, and then you realize, yeah, you still don't need it, but hey, it's all part of the hustle. Now it's your turn. Can you make it smarter? Add language switching. Highlight copied phrases on screen, or maybe, just maybe, turn this into a real productive tool. Drop your ideas in the comments. And if this helped you out, go ahead and subscribe, share, or copy some spicy Spanish tweets just to flex it. I'll see you in the next dimension.